ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति सोपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुं श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं सागरजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखानिधांश्च। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पदे गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। हरि ओम तत्सत्। हरे कृष्णा। श्रीमद्भागवतम फर्स्ट कांडो क्रिएशन चैप्टर 9 श्लोक नंबर 11. Can I start? Hari bol. Kindly repeat with me. पाण्डुपुत्रानुपासीनान् प्रश्राय प्रेम संगतान् अभ्याचष्टुर्न अनुरागश्रेर् अन्धिभूतेन चक्षुषा पाण्डुपुत्रानुवासीना. Okay. Wait meaning. Pandu, the late father of Maharaja Yudhishthira and his brothers. Putran, the son of. Ubasinan, sitting silently nearby. Prashraya, being overtaken. Prema, in feelings of love. Sangadan, having gathered. Abhyachashta, congratulated. Anuraga, feelingly. Ashray, by tears of ecstasy. Andibudena, overwhelmed. Chachusha, with his eyes. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Translation. The son of Maharaja Pandu were sitting silently nearby, overtaken with affection for their dying grandfather. Seeing this, Bhishma Deva congratulated them with the feelings. There were tears of ecstasy in his eyes, for he was overwhelmed by love and affection. Purport we can see that when Maharaja Pandu died, his sons were all small children, and naturally they were brought up under the affection of elderly members of the royal family, specifically by Bhishma Deva. Later on, when the Pandavas were growing up, they were cheated by cunning Duryodhana and company. And Bhishma Deva, although he knew that the Pandavas were innocent and were unnecessarily put into trouble, could not take the side of the Pandavas for political reasons. At the last stage of his life, when Bhishma Deva saw his most exalted grandsons headed by Maharaja Yudhishthira sitting very gently at his side, the great warrior grandfather could not check his love tears which were automatically flowing from his eyes. He remembered the great tribulations suffered by his most pious grandsons. Certainly, he was the most satisfied man because of Yudhishthira's being enthroned in place of Duryodhana, and thus he began to congratulate them. Haribol Hare Krishna. Krishna visited Bhishma Deva. Why this happening? Actually, this Srimad Bhagavatam is totally explaining about the Krishna Leela or the science of Krishna. But this chapter, this sloka is explaining about the Pandavas and Bhishma Deva. Why? Because the Srimad Bhagavatam is the nectar of all Vedas, Puranas, Idihasas, Upanishads, everything. So that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu telling that if we follow the Srimad Bhagavatam and the Bhagavad Gita, then we can understand each and every Vedas, literatures, Upanishads, Puranas, Idihasas, everything. So here explaining about the little bit connection for Mahabharata stories. We can conclude in the Mahabharata with the Kurukshetra war, Bhishma Parva of the Mahabharata story included the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is the knowledge given to Arjuna by Bhagavan in the battlefield. So that is included in the Mahabharata story. But that Bhagavad Gita is combined as Gita Upanishad, because the Upanishad means the subdivision of Vedas. Mahabharata is considering as the fifth Veda. So that in this fifth Veda, the Bhagavad Gita is included, so that the Bhagavad Gita is separated as a Gita Upanishad. So, Gita Upanishad is totally explanation given by Krishna to Arjuna. Here, Bhagavan is, we can understand the science of Krishna. That means the story or the background of Krishna. Because why we worship Krishna strongly? Because Bhagavan, for example, if we worship or fans of film star, heroes fan, how we are going behind them. Actually, we are saw the films characters throughout the cinema field of that hero, behind that hero, and he is acting like this and he is behaving like this, and the history of hero is like this. Likewise, the common people very well knows. Same way, we should understand or know about the science of Krishna through the Srimad Bhagavatam. Then only we can easily or knowledgeably we can worship Krishna. So, Bhagavan is explaining the knowledge, real knowledge to Arjuna by in the Bhagavad Gita, but the Srimad Bhagavatam is the science of Krishna. In the science of Krishna, we are related to, or Bhagavan is related to so many devotees as well as the kings and sages and all people who is live on the Dwapara Yuga. On that time, Bhagavan is appeared for the well-wishing of common people, especially for devotees. Paritranaya sadhuna vinashaya cha dushkrita. So that he came as a normal person. And Krishna act like a normal person, but he is the supreme Godhead. So Bhishma Deva actually the one of the devotee of Bhagavan. He knows very well about Krishna because he is worshipping Krishna as a Vishnu form. So Bhishma Deva, while he is laying on the bed of arrows by the Arjuna, he thinking that, or he waiting for the Pandavas become the ruler of the kingdom, and he want to saw the persons of Pandu, sons of Pandu become the kings. That position he want to eagerly waiting for to see. So that Krishna knows this very well. So that Krishna advised to Pandavas that we must visit Bhishma Deva at the bed of arrows. On that time we must wear the all paraphernalia for the kingdom, so that they all are well dressed and they all are associated with so many Kalalpada and there's soldiers, warriors, everywhere is associated with the Pandavas, and Krishna is also very well nice dressed as a king, and he personified form of Krishna is showing in front of Bhishma Deva as Vishnu. On that time, all are covered the surrounding of Bhishma Deva, and they are eagerly waiting to know about from Bhishma Deva. So that the Pandavas all are very happy mood and they are visited to Bhishma Deva, but Arjuna and 5 Pandavas become very sad feeling due to Bhishma Deva is going to die. so that situation is they become very feeling sad, but Bhishma Deva become very happy. Why? Because he saw the Pandavas are in the king king's position instead of Duryodhana. The Yudhishthira Maharaj was the king. So that moment, Bhishma Pitamaha was very happy to see to everybody like in princess. Likewise, Bhishma Deva become very happy, so that he is in ecstasy mood, and the eyes are flowing the tears because due to the happiness. We cannot imagine why, when the person is going to die in the bed of death, on that time we cannot behave like this, like a Bhishma Deva. But Bhishma Deva become very happy due to saw the Arjuna and Pandavas all are son of Pandus are all very royal form. That is the happy mood reason for Bhishma Deva. Actually, from the childhood of Pandavas or the Pandu dead, after that five children are taken care of by the elderly person in the court palace, especially by Bhishma Deva and Vidura. That two persons are so much kind affection towards these Pandavas. But Bhishma Deva as well as Vidura is acting for the Kauravas, so that they are the protector of the whole king and kingdom, so that they cannot frankly behave like the love affection towards Pandavas. And not only that, the Kauravas are very much angry with these Pandavas, and they are always fighting and always torturing these Pandavas, even though they are tolerate. Why? Because they got the secretly or hide love affection from this Bhishma Deva and Vidura, all are given the protection hidely, not in front of Kauravas. But Bhishma Deva in his heart fully love affection towards Pandavas. That is the reality. That reality Krishna very well knows. So at the last moment of Bhishma Deva, Krishna want to show the how the Pandavas become royal, they how become they are kings. Likewise, that position Bhishma Deva want to see. So that Krishna advised to Pandavas, we all are together in the royal form, then visited to Bhishma Deva and given the blessings to nicely death of Bhishma Deva. Likewise, they are associated there, and Bhishma Deva is watching there, and his heart is become full of love affection towards Yudhishthira, Bhishma, Arjuna, Nagula, Sahadeva, likewise as well as Krishna. So that he is silently crying. Crying means not with pain or anything. Full of happy mood, he is ecstasy mood, he is crying. That is the situation is explained throughout the sloga. And also, actually, Bhishma Deva is on the lying on the bed, and from his body, all the drop of blood is drop out, vanquished from his body. That condition he was enjoying. Why? Because the blood is collected by the Duryodhana's concision. Means Duryodhana he was the king and he is the adharmi, and he is taking care of all majority of people in the palace, so that he quite naturally Bhishma Deva was a little bit affection towards Duryodhana's food, because the food was taken by Duryodhana only. So he is a little bit affection towards Duryodhana. That is the reality. But in heart, he is too much affection towards Pandavas. But he is taking the food from the Kauravas. That food converted into blood form. That blood is dropping out from his body. So that Bhishma Deva thinking that my power is dropping out by the drop out of blood through the arrows. So he was too much happy towards Arjuna also, because the arrows are given by the Arjuna. that sent by Arjuna, so that he is a little more affection towards Arjuna, because the Arjuna, due to the Arjuna, his all sins, papas is vanquishing. Likewise, he is thinking. So that nearby dead person is never act like this Bhishma Deva. Our ordinary people is too much of feeling pain and struggle and everything. We cannot imagine how he can behave like this, because he is a devotee of Krishna, as well as he is the one of the Ashtavasus. So Ashtavasu means just nearby the demigod's position, that is the Ashtavasu's position. Bhishma Pidamaha was the one of Ashtavasu. Now he want to go back to Vaikunta planetary system, because he is the devotee of Lord Vishnu. On bedtime, at the death time, he was narrating the Vishnu Sahasranama. Vishnu Sahasranama means the glorification of Vishnu, because Bhishma Pidamaha was the great devotee of Lord Vishnu, so that he is narrating the Vishnu Sahasranama in front of Lord Krishna as well as Pandavas. On that time, Sahadeva, one of the Pandava, Sahadeva, he is observing all Vishnu Sahasranama, and on that time he hand over his kingdom to his Pautra. Pautra means Putran's Putra, that is Arjuna's Putra Abhimanyu. His Putra son is the Parishit Maharaj. So that Yudhishthira Maharaj directly gave the kingdom to Parishit Maharaj, and after that Parishit Maharaj ruled the kingdom. Actually, Srimad Bhagavatam is starting from the point of Parishit Maharaj, while he was on the death facing time, 7 days. On that time, Sri Shukadeva Goswami narrating the Srimad Bhagavatam to Parishit Maharaj. That much only Bhagavatam we can got in a Kali Yuga people. We are reading this Srimad Bhagavatam by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada. Otherwise, there is no chance to understand the Srimad Bhagavatam, which is wrote on the Sanskrit language. The mercy of Srila Prabhupada, only we can understand little bit about Srimad Bhagavatam by the translation of Srila Prabhupada in English and other languages. So we are so much affectionate towards the love of Srimad Bhagavatam for the fallen souls like us. So here again explaining about the Bhishma Deva, he is the very great devotee, and he want to rule the kingdom by Yudhishthira Maharaj, who is the Dharmaputra, or son of Dharmaraj, because he is the very nice king, and he is the without enemy ruling the kingdom was only one person, is Yudhishthira Maharaj. He cannot, nobody can inimical to him. That is the character of Yudhishthira Maharaj. That very well knows by Bhishma Pidamaha. So here also explaining about the affection towards, love affection towards Bhishma Pidamaha to the Pandavas. That is also indicating in this Srimad Bhagavatam. What is the connection is asking for this sloga is actually the Srimad Bhagavatam is the nectar of all Puranas, Vedas, Idihasas, everything, but the nectar only taking out. So this is the connection of Mahabharata and Srimad Bhagavatam. And Parishit Maharaj, where the Mahabharata is ending with the that Pandavas are going back to Swarga, on that portion is a stop, end of the Mahabharata story. From the end of the Mahabharata story, Vyasadeva started this Srimad Bhagavatam, so that the connection is Mahabharatam, likewise Vedas and Idihasas and Vedanta Sutra. The Srimad Bhagavatam, the first line starting with the second line of Vedanta Sutra. The first line of Vedanta Sutra is Adado Brahma Jijnasa, and second line is Janmadhyasya. With that Janmadhyasya starting with the Srimad Bhagavatam. That is the connection of all Puranas, Idihasas, Vedas with the Srimad Bhagavatam. Okay, Haribol, Hare Krishna. Can I go to next sloka also? Now the last point is congratulating the Pandavas to rule the kingdom very nicely, so that the happy mood, ecstasy mood of Bhishma Pitamaha is throughout the sloka. Next sloka number 12. Aho kashtam aho anyayam yat yuyam dharma nandana जीवितुं नर्हदा क्लिष्टं विप्रचार्मधर्मस्य अच्युताश्रया धर्माच्युताश्रया. That means aho, oh, kashtam, what terrible sufferings. Aho, oh, anyayam, what terrible injustice. Yad, because, yuyam, all of you good souls, Dharma Nandana, sons of religion personified, Jeevitum, to remain alive, Na, never, Arhata, deserve, Klishtam, suffering, Vipra, Brahmanas, Dharma, piety, Achyuta, God, Ashraya, being protected by. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada, Jai Srila Prabhupada. Translation. Bhishma Deva said, "Oh, what troubled sufferings and what terrible justices you good souls suffer for being the sons of religion personified. You did not deserve to remain alive under those tribulations. Yet you were protected by the Brahmanas, God and religion." Here Prabhupada is saying about the translation that the sloka saying about the good character of Pandavas, especially the Dharmaputra, Yudhishthira Maharaj. Yudhishthira Maharaj is very fortunate soul. These 5 Pandavas are so fortunate. They are very good character. They are keeping the dharma. They are behaving like very good devotees, and behavior is also very nice for others, so that everybody knows about the good character of Pandavas. But still they are facing too much troubles. In our daily life also, good persons are feeling so much troubles by others, or by any other circumstances, or by animals, or by diseases. Likewise, we are facing too much trouble. Why? Because actually the troubles are the mercy of Bhagavan given to us. Why? Actually the troubles means if we did papas in the previous janma, that since papas are coming as diseases and troubles in this janma. So if we are a pious person, if we are a good person, or if we are a fortunate person, even though we are facing too much troubles and too much disturbances other persons, or injustices from others, that means we are did so much papas in the previous janma. Same way here Pandavas are very nice devotees of Krishna, even though maybe they are did the so much pious sins on the previous janma, so that they are facing troubles. Even though they are facing troubles, they didn't act like a angry person or any disturbances to others, never. So that the Bhishma Pitamaha very well knows about the disturbance from Kauravas towards the Pandavas, that very well knows, even though he is trying to advise to tolerate. So Kundimada also advised to her sons to tolerate everything. One day will come for your safe mood. So now they are the rulers, they got the power, and they all are very much powerful persons. So you don't act against them. Please tolerate. That also Prabhupada is saying to all disciples to that, please cooperate with the tolerance. That is the essence of our association. Once more, Haribol. Any questions or any doubt, please discuss. Or Ashutosh Prabhuji, can you explain in Hindi or?
हरे कृष्णा माता जी, प्रणाम।
हरि बोल, हरे कृष्णा प्रभु, पंचांग प्रणाम।